Ever feel awkward trying to start a conversation? Wish you could talk to anyone, anywhere, and actually enjoy it? Today, I'm revealing 10 secret tricks that will change how you talk forever. Let's go. Trick 1. The smile start. Start every interaction with a genuine smile. It sounds basic, but smiling activates mirror neurons. People automatically feel more connected to you. Practice it in the mirror. Trick 2. Use their name. Use the person's name early in the conversation. Nice to meet you, Sarah. This shows attention and respect and makes people feel important. Trick 3. The triangle eye contact. Don't just stare. Use the triangle method. Look at one eye, then the other, then the mouth, softly and naturally. It feels more personal and less intimidating. Trick 4. Ask open-ended questions. Don't ask yes/no questions. Instead of "Did you like the movie?" say "What was your favorite part of the movie?"
If you liked these tricks, imagine what's coming next. Hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment about the one you'll try first. And don't forget to share this with someone who needs it.